Hey everyone, Matt with Attention to Detail Painters again. It's May 13th. We are finishing up a house in the Meadows, another one. Finally got a break from the rain. We're able to get out here and get this one done. You can see this one looks really good. Just putting finishing touches on it right now. But I just want to show you something on this house. If you can see the bottom of this house here, you can see it's not painted. That's the old color there on that bottom board. And the reason we do that is because we hand paint the bottom of that. When we hand paint the bottom of that, it ensures that we get up under the lip. We find that probably 95% of painters don't get up under the lip on those bottom couple boards with paint. That's where the moisture sits. And if you don't get up under there, that moisture sits on bare wood. It's gonna rot out your siding. That's why a lot of people have rotten siding on the north side of their house where the snow accumulates. You can see that there. The other thing it does is it makes sure that we don't overspray any foundation. So it's a lot cleaner that way. It's a little more work, but it's just the way we do it. And it works for us. It is May 13th. Our schedule is filling up. The weather's finally broke, I think. If you are thinking about getting your house painted this spring, give me a call to get a quote, 720-485-1880, or go onto our website, attentiontodetailpainters.com. Fill out the questionnaire. I'll get a hold of you. I'll get up there to get a quote as soon as I can. Find us on Facebook, YouTube. We have a YouTube channel, Instagram, I think anywhere there's social media. I'm certainly not a social media expert, but that's what I'm told. So anyway, if you're thinking about getting a quote, give me a call. And if you want it done the right way, that's the only way we do it. Talk to you soon.